Wow, he actually joined me. Wait until he finds out this game is a chicken game. Running, 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 running. Hee look what he said. I owe a chicken game LOL. This is a chicken game, not a Dr. Horse game, no. I gotta run stealing the eggs for my dinner. Look, it's Shads. Hee, I'm not chicken. You are chicken. You are chicken, everybody knows it, mate. You should chase me like these other killer chickens are. We all know you're chicken. Chase me.
Whoa!
What the? That hurt my ears, ow. This is Titan Plunger Jr.'s real place where he belongs, I think. Let's steal double eggs for dinner. What? Dad told me I'm not. Well, sorry brother Dada, don't tell the truth always, and I got your eggs, hee. Ow. Angry chicken.